There we are, Friday, September 18th, 2020. Got a little surprise here today. My goldfish, he lives in this barrel, my rain barrel. Had a partner for a while, but I don't know what happened to him. He escaped or got out or flew out of the barrel in a rainstorm or something. He escaped one time and was caught in a bucket that I had, but so we got a new goldfish today. My girlfriend got out of the house and went and picked up another fish here. So let's see what happens when we put this in here. Oh, he's coming to check it out. Like, yeah, what do you think? You got a new buddy in there. He's looking at him. And I'm just hoping it's not two males that are going to be in a fight to the death here. The one in the bag wants out. I think he's looking to... Oh, he wants to start some stuff here, boy. So oh, look, he's going crazy. Or maybe my fish is a female and that's a male. Oh, that'd be good. She might. I don't know if it's a male or female. I don't know how to tell. Maybe somebody out there on YouTube can tell me how to tell if this is male or female. I don't think the temperature's probably... Oh, there, lay it down. Let him see. So yeah, getting a little feisty there. I think he really wants out. Let me get this bag open. I'm gonna have to put my camera down for a second. We're dropping in the water. Now let's get some underwater footage. See how this works. Yeah. I don't want to put my camera underwater. I don't want to put my phone underwater too much. But that was on. I did stick the camera lens in the water there. Here, we'll go. That's underwater right there. Whoa, he's really going crazy. Uh-oh. Don't want to ruin my phone here. Hang on. All right, there. I at least got a little more water in the bag. I don't know why they packaged him up with about 2 teaspoons of water in there. I got a little weed in there too, or a little plant. So he wants out. So let's let him out and see what happens. Come on, get out. There you go. There. See if these guys make happy. While he's looking at them, they're checking each other out. Okay, no fight to the death. Let me see if I can get a better shot over here. I'm gonna get the bag out of there. Little glare on the water, kind of hard to see down there. I'm gonna have to go for some more underwater footage here. Oh wait, there, that's better. Yeah, they're just kind of hanging out down there. Little dirt in the bottom. This is pretty clear though. We've got a lot of rain lately. I should probably vacuum that out. I have oak trees and a lot of stuff off the trees falls down there. Well, I guess they're getting along okay. They're not doing too much. Oh, maybe I can give them some food. See if they like that. There's the other one. There they are. Kind of hard to see here. I think the camera's having a little trouble focusing through the water too. Alright, well, no fight to the death, so that's good. Caught